One of the tasks that people perform in my area is locating people within a given area and sending out mailing labels. And so I'm going to demonstrate how to do that today. The first thing that we're going to do is make sure that my parcel information is the only selectable layer. So we right click on that, scroll down to selection, and click make this the only selectable layer. Once that's done, we'll use our select features tool to select our parcel. From here, we scroll up to selection and click on select by location. This brings up our select by location pop-up box. We will use the select features from the parcels, check this one, then we'll scroll down to the source layer, change this to parcels as well. As you can see, this little box is grayed out. This is our use selected features button, and this is what we want. We want to be able to use only the selected features, and we're going to select all the parcels that intersect with this, and we are going to make sure the apply search distance checkbox is checked, and we will change this to 500 feet. And you can see this is a drop down that will give us choices as to our units of measurement. We will go with feet. Once we do this, I'll click apply, and as you can see, all of the parcels within 500 feet are selected, and here they are. Once we have our selection done, we will right click on parcels and open up our attribute layer, or our attribute table. Once this shows up, we will go to the table options button, scroll up to reports, and click create report. This gives us our report wizard. The layer table that we want to use, once again, is parcels. And once that's selected, one of the very important things that need to be done is to check our database options, this button right here. We want to change this to selected set. If you do not change it to selected set, you will run your mailing labels for the entire parcel data set. And that is not what we want, because there are a lot of parcels in this data. Alright, once we have that specified, we want to export out a mailing list for all of the data items that regard our mailing. So we will check mailing address, our owner, our city, our state, and our zip. And you can adjust these in whichever order you want with these up and down arrows on the side, but we have them in the correct order. From here we click next, and we don't need to add any grouping, so click next again. What fields do you want sorted on your report? I'm not too worried about these fields being sorted. We'll click next again, and this is where we want to be. You can see that mailing labels is what we want selected. And there are a few different styles here of mailing labels. Once that's done, we'll click next, and this is fine. Click finish, and this is going to create our mailing labels. And from here we can save this or print it out, and our job here is done. I hope that this video is useful. If you like it, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.